On Monday, legislators looked at citizens' rights. As trans issues cross the legislature, lawmakers and experts discuss the Student Eligibility Interscholastic Sports Bill. This bill looks to separate athletes by biological gender, according to lawmakers, preventing an unfair advantage. It recently received $1.1 million in funding from appropriations for expected litigation. It now heads to the Revenue Committee for review. Former athlete, coach, and current lawmaker weighs in.
We've had some incidences already where some girls have lost their places on the podium based on having to deal with trans athletes. So it's not me being mean. It's not anyone being, trying to be exclusive. We're just trying to say the girls have fought hard and long, 50 years for Title IX. We want to continue to keep those levels of law in place for our girls.
And human rights experts say that advantage isn't true.
I think that when we pass bad legislation, we only hurt youth and we only tell youth that, we're going to other you, we're going to make you feel different and separate. What we need to be doing is looking at ways we can support our youth and make sure our youth have positive outcomes and are feeling engaged in their community.
And advocates respond to further division.
Some folks have suggested, why don't we just set up a third category? And the Supreme Court over and over and the American people have said separate is never equal.
Next, the restoration of civil rights would allow for nonviolent felony offenders to have rights restored, such as the right to be on a jury, run for office, and to bear arms.
I think the biggest thing will be that they'll be able to hunt. And that's a big deal for the state of Wyoming. It's a constitutional right to be able to hunt, fish, and trap here. And so I think that's the biggest benefit.
Critics are concerned this bill will put guns in the hands of criminals. But lawmakers believe this bill will restore rights for time served. I'm Valeria Fugate, Wyoming News Now.